Okay, been waiting for the sun to come out from behind a cloud. You can see two of them have woken up. Three of them. This guy's trying to wake up. Oh, that guy fell right over. He woke up so much. Yeah, this one. Wake up there. So these are more modern solar-powered toys. I like them because they were wood construction, very inexpensive. This guy is slipping a gear. I think when he fell over it misadjusted his motor. Ooh, like that. They're all marching into the out of the sun. I think you'd have to bend their metal feet a little better to make it a little more stable, but it's not the best claw foot walking design. The four-legged ones are doing much better. Like this guy's seems faster than those. Of course, it's just a claw foot, but it's more stable. The ratchet one there's not doing too bad now. Now that we got some sun, now that the cloud is blown away, you hear the ratchet guy every time his wheel moves forward, the ratchets click.